If you'd like to send a secure message, simply scroll down on the home page to find the Message Center. Select Send us a secure message. Use the drop-down menu to select the account you'd like to discuss. Secure messaging is really handy and can be used to request changes to your accounts. For example, arranging money to be sent to your nominated account, changing the collection date of your mortgage direct debit, requesting a check withdrawal to be made out in your name, giving instructions for savings maturities, and adding, changing, or removing a nominated account. It's straightforward to send the secure message from the Message Center. Just enter it in the box and click Submit. If you'd like to view your secure messages at any time, go back to the home page, return to the Message Center, and click on Manage Your Secure Mail. To see a message, you'll first need to choose the account that the message refers to. We aim to get back to you within 2 working hours. Our Customer Contact Centre opening hours are shown here and on our website. You'll receive an email to let you know we've responded to your message. Just log back in and go to your online portal to read our response in the Message Center. Your security is important to us, so please make sure you log out of your account when you're finished.